So we have a smoothie recipe. We don't have a smoothie recipe. We have a smoothie recipe that we want to share with you to hydrate.
Yeah, so especially if you're feeling maybe a bit hungover, or maybe you need, you can switch this up to maybe feel something different if you want to change your smoothies, because it's a tropical one. Tropical smoothie. So if we start off with coconut water, that's going to have those natural electrolytes we talked about. It's going to give it a different flavor and a different taste as well, which is nice, and a good combination with the other fruits we have in there.
So we've got mangoes in there as well, and pineapple and banana.
Yep.
So that's all part of the tropicalness.
Right, you can throw
refreshing, and it'll help replenish like those natural sugars as well.
Yeah, we always recommend Complete Truth Protein.
Yeah.
We've seen it before as we talk about. Sometimes we feature it, but Complete Truth Protein is a nice way to add an extra boost to your smoothie or make it a whole meal. That can help as well. But this flavor combination is amazing. You can add coconut flakes if you like to give it
nice.
Added boost of tropicalness. We have dulse as well. Sometimes we recommend dulse, and that's trace minerals. It has a lot of good different properties, but it's seaweed, so just put a little bit in so that you don't.
It's a little powerful.
It could be powerful, so pay attention to how much you put in, but that's also going to make this a complete smoothie.
When I just thought of something when you're like, just start with a little bit, because when I was teaching first grade, when we had glue for art, kids get so excited about glue and they just put glue everywhere and it's new and it's exciting, and it's kind of the same thing when we get a new product or a new ingredient for anything, right? We're like, oh, got this new thing, I'm going to try it out. And you try out a whole bunch of it and it's like, ooh, too much. But what I used to say with the glue was, just a dot, not a lot. So it's kind of like with the dulse.
It is. There you go.
Just a dot, not a lot.
All right, so check out that tropical smoothie that should help hydrate you and help you get those good sugars in your body and make you feel fantastic.